Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a little different. We are ditching the kitchen and taking you on a food adventure to Moodbidri's hidden gem, Toddy Village. I stumbled upon a reel while scrolling through Instagram and came to know about this place and we decided to visit it. It's not very far away from Moodbidri Junction. I'll have the location mentioned in the description section below. This place is renowned for serving some of the best toddies in town. We are talking fresh, earthy nectar, naturally sweet and brimming with local flavor. No fancy cocktails, just pure goodness straight from the palm and the coconut tree. And guess what? It's budget friendly. So ditch the overpriced bar tabs and raise a clay pot with us. It's a nice cozy setup where you can visit with your friends and family. Surrounded by lush greenery, the restaurant itself reflects the beauty of nature with its beautiful bamboo walls. The ambience is casual, but the service is attentive and knowledgeable, making you feel like a fine dining royalty in a relaxed bamboo palace. You have the option to sit outside enjoying a beautiful scenic view or opt for closed family-style cabins with bamboo walls. In our case, we chose the latter. As you can see from the menu card, everything is reasonably priced, catering to all budgets. They offer both coconut toddy and palm toddy. They also have an option of toddy-based mojitos. For those who prefer not to have toddy, although I would not recommend missing out on their renowned toddy, this place also offers regular mojitos and other beverages. They have vegetarian options, chicken, seafood and even mutton. First up, we ordered a liter of coconut toddy. They serve the toddy in an earthen pitcher-like bottle which keeps it cool. I was blown away by the taste. It was sweet and simply fantastic. We kicked off our meal with masala papad. I found it a bit spicy, but it was great appetizer to kickstart our appetite. Okay, so this is toddy based mojito that we ordered, the ginger and lime mojito. I highly recommend trying this. It was absolutely amazing. I didn't try any other flavors of mojito, so I can't provide a comparative analysis. However, I'm confident that anything made with their toddy would be delightful. Okay, so this is the squid tawa masala that we ordered, or bundas tawa masala as we call it in Tulu. I would say that the quantity is decent for the price we paid. The taste was good. While I wouldn't claim it's the best bundas I've ever had, it was pretty enjoyable. It was perfectly cooked and wasn't chewy at all. We enjoyed having it. Next up is the chicken ghee roast. The chicken was cooked perfectly, juicy and tender. We thoroughly enjoyed savoring it. If you ask me if I have had better ghee roast than this, perhaps I have. However, on its own merit, this ghee roast was delightful. Next up is this Banguda tawa masala. Embracing the bolder side of seafood, I opted for the Banguda tawa masala. The restaurant offers a plethora of seafood choices including kingfish, sardines, clams, prawns, crabs and many more. The masala was delicious, though I found the tartness a bit high for my taste preferences. However, when paired with toddy, it blended seamlessly. Next up is the chicken lollipop. It was good, though I wouldn't say it is the best lollipop I've had. Perhaps because we were so full from enjoying all that toddy and seafood, we couldn't genuinely savor the taste. Overall, I would confidently affirm that it's an excellent hangout spot for everyone. Especially for larger groups on a budget, particularly students, this is the perfect spot for you. I highly recommend visiting. I'm sure you wouldn't be disappointed. I'll have the prices and everything listed in the comment section below. Share it with your gang with whom you wish to visit the place. If there's any feedback that you have for me, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Do leave your opinions below.